I had the shakes. I was confused. I couldn't think. I felt like I couldn't breathe.
4 out of 5 Americans have experienced some format of heat stress, and over a quarter of them don't know how to respond in an emergency situation.
Heat stress safety is really important to me. Early on in my apprenticeship, I actually got heat stroke.
Being prepared for heat stress emergencies or any type of heat-related illness is super important to being able to respond to it in a manner that can save lives.
So that's what we're here to do today, is to educate everybody a little bit more about what is heat stress, what does it look like.
Nice, I like how you guys roll.
Yeah, buddy.
We're just gonna form a line, we're gonna wrap around starting this way. You can come back through and eat your tacos.
Is that close or not?
Can you start crying?
While I'm talking, you might as well keep yourself cool.
Yeah, no doubt.
There you go. So the biggest thing that we're gonna talk about is if something were to happen to one of your buddies, if he would have passed out right here, what would you guys do?
Again, we have 30 minutes from the time somebody goes down from heat stroke to act.
And then this type of a method is basically gonna be something that's gonna do just what you said. You wanna try to cool him down. He's way too warm, right? You see him passing out, you're like, okay, gotta do something.
t.a.c.o, tarp-assisted cooling oscillation.
I really liked the t.a.c.o method with the tarp that was put on today. In the event that someone's passed out and 911 hasn't arrived yet, honestly, this could be the difference between, saving a life and watching someone die in front of you.
And look, he's better.